Here I am going to explain about the sixth lab program, that is to create a component counter with a state variable count initialized to 0, and also have to create the buttons to increment and decrement the count. Then we have to simulate using the use effect functional component or a class component. We have to double the component count, and when the button is clicked, or we have to reset the count to 0 using the another button. So to do this program, first we have to go to the PowerShell. Like in this way you have to go to the PowerShell. This is the PowerShell window. Here we have to type the command that I am going to show now. These are the commands we need to give. These are the commands to create an counter app in an React.js programming. Next thing is, after giving these commands, we have to npm install. We have to install the React.js, and also we can, to see the output, you have to give npm run dev. All these things I already given. I had typed those programs in an Visual Studio Code. Here I have created the counter.js. This is the program. Here we have imported React, that is an bundle of programs or modules are there. In that I am using the use state and the use effect from the React. So this is the statement to import the React programming. Next one is const counter. This is the counter variable. In this counter variable, this is the functionality we are using, that is the using the functional modules that we had given the count and also set the counter. Here the set the counter is using the use state to 0. Then we are using the use effect function. In that use effect function, written with the program, set the timeout, and also we have to give and set the count is equal to 0. All those things if you give RECT only you will get. Next thing is, we need to return with the counter values. Usually counter value initially starts with the 0. Then we have to, after clicking the button, we have to create 4 buttons. One button is for increment, and second button is for decrement, and third button is for double the count, and fourth one is to reset. All those things we had given here. So after giving this counter.js, we have to change the few things in app.js. This app.js is used to display the content in a web page. To do all those things, we have to give npm run development. So that is npm run dev. If you give this, you will get a HTTP link. If you click on this, you will go to the, in a browser it is going to display welcome to the counter app. In that we have given already the counter is initialized to 0. Then we are incrementing the counter, that is 1, 2, like this. We can double the counter value using the double clicking the button, and also we can decrement the counter value here. And the last one is going to reset the button. So for that we have to give the reset button.